Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. So I thought I would do an EDC update. I've already done one for this month, but some things have changed, so I thought I would do another one. So I'll start off with the phones. Got the work phone, which is the Huawei. Can't remember what model it is. And I got the Motorola Razr, the V3. Very sexy phone. Tiny. And awesome. Battery's just died on it, but no problem, just put it on charge. Watch, still a Casio G-Shock, which is filthy. Bandana, Snow Peak. Got a new wallet. It's an Expedition Urban. A few more things in there. I got the little paper clip on the back, so anything that I put in that pouch doesn't fall out. Mostly just bus tickets, and I got a Zebra telescopic pen. And besides that, there's nothing really changed with the wallet. Keys have changed very slightly. Got a Victorinox Classic XD. I lost the old one. Looked for it for 3 days. Bought this 20 minutes after I got it out the package. I found the old one, so got two now. And I've still got the Olight I1R2 EOS and the Uncle Bill's leather grippers. And the knives. Got two Higo no Kami's. Got a genuine Naga Higo no Kami and just a budget one. Not going to carry both at the same time. Going to carry one day and then one the other. Just because these two have been lying around. I've never used these all year, so just to get some use out of them. Two extremes in price. That was £100. Blue paper steel. Brass handles. And that one was £14. SK5 steel in a steel handle. Only problem with the steel handle is the blade folds into it, so it dulls a bit quicker. But actually, like sharpening knives, I find it therapeutic, so that's actually a plus for me. And this one's razor sharp and steel sharp. Awesome knives. And that is it for my personal EDC. I'll go into the bags now. So as far as the bag goes, it's still the budget tactical EDC bag from eBay that I paid £14 for. And I've got the 511 rapid waist pack on the front. And nothing's changed with that, it's still the just holding the waterproofs. And I've got the bike light on the front. I still cycle into work. And the only change that's happened to the bag is the zipper here snapped off on this pocket, so I've just stitched it up until I can be bothered to get around to stitching another zipper on. But I've just got some things stuffed in there. When I cinch this strap down and with the waist pack on, the stuff flies at the bottom so it doesn't fall out. So it doesn't matter if it has this gap there. But I'm going to get a zipper off of a old sleeping bag and just stitch it around the top. And that should be fine. So in here, got the multi-tool, which is still the Gerber MP600. And just some mints. I've still got the real budget flashlight, Gabriel, which is still working good. No problems with that. I think it's about £10. Can't beat it. And in here, got some hemp hand lotion, because hands have been really dry for some reason. Hand sanitizer, and some Cormex lip balm. I don't think there's anything in this pouch. Marker pen, Sharpie. And I think that's it for in there. On here I got the other pen, Uniball Singo. And just a little lock thing. In case I go into the city, I can put it through these loops here and lock it. Make sure nobody steals anything out the bag. And I got a Hazard 4 cap. And then in the main pouch, I've got a Stanley Legendary Classic thermo flask, or vacuum flask, whatever you want to call it, and a thermos food jar, which is brand new. I got this today, and I got this yesterday, so that's all I'm carrying in the bag now. The wool jumper I showed in the last video, it's pretty cold in the mornings now, so just wear that until it gets too hot in the day to keep wearing it. So that is my ADC for this month. Thanks for watching.